Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So, if you're new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe, guys, because on this channel we discuss various ways on how you can make money online. So, in today's video, we're going to be looking at this website right here called Pose. So, what is the work of this website? This website lets you earn online by translating, guys. So, you literally translate one language to another, and you will get paid for it, guys. So, that shows what you need to do. Now, let us check out these websites together. As you can see here, it says Online Community and Workplace for Language Professionals. You'll see over 1,000,000 plus professional translators and translation companies. So, don't get discouraged by seeing over 1 million because there are a lot of work on Pose, guys. So, you can literally get work easily. So, don't feel demotivated because you see 1 million here, because there are over billions of jobs already done on Pose. So you can also join these people, guys, and make money for yourself. As you can see here, it says hire a professional translator or translation company. So that's just how it works. As you can see here, it says explore different community activities and resources available to language professionals. At Pose.com, you can see Satisfied Pros Network, Blueboard, Kudos, Time Network, all these things, guys. So, since we already know what this website is all about, how do we earn using Pose? We earn by joining the translators, guys. So, which means we will work as a translator on Pose.com. So, how does that work? You just need to come to this place, right here. You can see here it says find work and hire work. So, hire work are from the people that want to hire translators there. As you can see, there are translators and interpreters, translation, and agency. So what we need to do is click on Find Work. As you can see here, it says Browse Pose.com jobs. You can see language jobs posted to the world's largest community of freelance translators, interpreters, subtitlers, and other language professionals. So what do you see right here? You can see here it says 1,200 jobs, which means these are some current jobs right now. You can see who filled video game content through language pairs, Game 1 requirements, and what country. It is in Microsoft Excel. So, this person posted this job on September 1st. As you can see here, at 9 p.m., guys, that's just how it's working. You see, I posted August 31st, guys, which means 2 hours ago this person posted this job on August 31st. So you can also join people like these guys so that you can also post your own job and you would get people, guys. As you can see here, this person has 5-star reviews with entries, 4.6 stars, 129 entries. You can see here 3 entries, and this person has 3 point something out, guys. So that's just how we roll. So what you just need to know how to do is just come here. You can see here, yes, Pose Jobs link. You see overview, job listing, classic job listing, posted jobs. So just click on post a job, guys. When you click on post a job, you can see here you have the information right here. Just click on the service you want to render, guys, and do everything. Fill up this form, guys, and click on save and continue. After you fill out the necessary information, guys, it takes them like 48 hours to review your information, and if you are qualified, you will be accepted, guys. So that's just it, and you'll start earning on Pose.com. So if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.